Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So I believe that this video will be useful if accidentally you've changed the language and you have no idea how to get into the specific section. So I'll try to be as clear and as slow as I can. So first of all, let's localize the settings. So the settings are with the gear icon. Let's tap. Then we have to scroll all the way down. So just do this harsh gesture and go to additional settings. So this is the option with three dots icon, fourth from the bottom. Tap on additional settings. Then tap on the second option, which is languages and input. And then tap on the first option, languages. And here we are in the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on it. I will pick French. It will be immediately marked. Now you can go back, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So fortunately it is quite easy, but the problem is of how to get into this section. But when you will get here, the changing of the language is pretty easy. Just tap on it, just like here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.